If you're learning piano as an adult or teaching it to students of any age, you've found the right channel. I'm Jen Smith Lanthier, a Canadian composer and educator, and this channel is where inspiring music meets real skills. For piano teachers, I create original repertoire that's pedagogically sound and genuinely beautiful to play. Many of my compositions are included in the Conservatory Canada Contemporary Repertoire syllabus, and teachers across Canada are using them in their studios right now. For adult learners, you'll find tutorials, technique tips, and music that's worth putting in the effort for. Music that's often rooted in the natural world, designed to feel meaningful at any level. I've been composing and teaching music for over 25 years, and everything on this channel reflects that. Music and learning that I'd be proud to put in front of any student or teacher. Subscribe for new videos posted regularly. And if you're a teacher or a student looking for fresh repertoire, head to oceantalesmusic.com. There's a free sampler waiting for you. Happy playing and happy teaching. I'll see you at the piano.